speak for me, for the years I tried to hide, for the smile I wore in public while I broke myself inside. Early 20s, first signs creeping, didn't know the name back then. Just a heaviness inside me that kept coming round again. 15 winters in my bloodstream, 15 years behind a mask. People ask me how you doing, I said I'm great before they asked. I'm fantastic, I'm amazing, yeah, I saw that lie so well. But behind the louder answer, I was living through my hell. I got good at looking normal, good at laughing through the pain, good at standing in the sunlight with a thunderstorm for a brain. And loneliness can fool you, make you think you need the dark, but the room you hide away in can become a prison yard. When you're low you want the silence, but the silence digs too deep, and the mind can turn against you when the body's running weak. But when it won't last, even when it feels forever, even when the sky turns black and you can't remember better, I've seen the coldest nights, I prayed to disappear, but I'm still here, I'm still fighting, and the summer's drawing near. So reset your body, reset your mind, one small step, one day at a time. You don't have to see the sun to believe it's coming back. Hold on through the winter, 'cause winter won't last. I thought depression was a sentence, something written into me, like I carry it forever, like I'd never be set free. But looking back I see the pattern, I was broken at the root, never sleeping, never healing, never feeding me the truth. I didn't water my own garden, then I wondered why it died. I let my body run on empty, then blamed the darkness in my mind. For me it started changing when I changed the things I could. Sleep became my foundation, then I fed myself with good hydration in the morning, whole food on my plate, movement with intention, training body, training faith. No, it didn't happen quickly, no, it wasn't clean or straight. Some days felt like spring was coming, then the winter slammed the gate. But every time I chose to stand up, every time I chose to try, I was teaching my own demons, they no longer own my life. But when it won't last, even when it feels forever, even when the sky turns black and you can't remember better, I've seen the coldest nights, I've prayed to disappear, but I'm still here, I'm still fighting, and the summer's drawing near. So reset your body, reset your mind, one small step, one day at a time. You don't have to see the sun to believe it's coming back. Hold on through the winter, 'cause winter won't last. Stand in front of the mirror, ask yourself what you can see. Is this who you are right now, or who you're meant to be? Look beyond the tired eyes, look beyond the scars. There's a version of you waiting, but he won't arrive by chance. Motivation is the vision, discipline's the daily cost. You don't build the man you dream of without meeting what you lost. Dream big, then move quiet, build slow but don't stop. Brick by brick through every setback, turn the pain into a rock. 'Cause winter won't last, even when it feels forever, even when the sky turns black and you can't remember better. I've seen the coldest nights, I've begged the pain to end, but I'm still here, still breathing, still becoming once again. So reset your body, reset your mind, one small step, one day at a time. You don't have to feel strong, you just have to not look back. Keep walking through the winter, 'cause winter won't last. I think I'm in the spring now, still storm right now and you can't see the path. Just keep moving through the darkness, because winter won't last.